Hi, my name is Geo and I head innovation at Danfoss high pressure pumps. If you want to minimize greenhouse gas emissions from your desalination plant, choosing high energy efficient equipment and solutions is of course super important. After all, the greenest energy, that's the energy that you don't spend. But there are more things to consider to reduce your greenhouse gas emissions even further. Choose high quality equipment. Well, what describes high quality equipment? Here's my view. Make sure you choose equipment that's robust and durable and has a long service life. High quality equipment should be able to last at least 20 or 25 years in operation in a desalination plant. Secondly, people do make mistakes. And if mistakes happens and damages your equipment, you want to make sure that your equipment can easily be repaired instead of throwing it away and having to buy new ones. Lastly, nothing lasts forever, everything wears. So make sure you choose equipment that you can easily keep running with maximum energy efficiency because you can service and maintain and refurbish it so that you run at high energy efficiency year after year and decade after decade. Choosing high quality equipment for your desalination plant significantly reduces the life cycle greenhouse gas emissions of your operations. The second point, intelligent energy consumption. So what's that? Well, the greenest energy, that's the energy that you don't spend, just like I said to begin with. But nothing comes for free. And you do, of course, have to spend some energy to desalinate seawater. So when you do spend energy, make sure you spend the right kind of energy, the green kind. Some desalination plants take this line of thinking all the way, having own renewable energy production on site, either from solar panels or wind turbines or similar renewable energy sources. This gives them 100% renewable energy for running their desalination systems. So if your desalination plant is connected to the electrical grid, you still have significant potential to reduce your greenhouse gas emissions. This is due to the fact that in many places across the world, the general electricity grids are having a significant ratio of renewable energy content, but it fluctuates. When the wind is blowing and the sun is shining, the electricity is much greener than at night time when the wind is not blowing. If you make sure you design flexible desalination plants capable of increasing production rates when the electricity is green and reducing or even stopping completely when the electricity is not very green, this can reduce greenhouse gas emissions significantly, making sure that when you produce water in your desalination plant, your impact to the environment is absolutely minimized.